An isotope is one of multiple forms of an atom which has a different number of neutrons than the others. Because neutrons have mass, the more neutrons are in the atom, the more the atomic mass increases. The atomic number stays the same because that represents the number of protons in that atom. The number of protons in an atom stays the same due to the fact that if an atom has a different number of protons, then it becomes a completely different atom. The number of electrons remains the same and always equals the number of protons within different isotopes of that atom.
Potassium is an example of all of these things. There are only 3 isotopes for potassium that are stable. The first form of potassium is an isotope with an atomic mass of 39, containing only 20 neutrons and 19 protons and electrons. This is the form that can be found on the periodic table.
93.3% of all potassium found in nature is this isotope. Of each of the 3 stable isotopes of potassium, potassium-41 is the most rare. Only 0.12% of potassium found in nature is potassium-40.
Potassium-40 has 21 neutrons, which gives it an added atomic mass of 1, compared to the original isotopic form of potassium. Potassium-41 has 22 neutrons, which gives it an added atomic mass of 2, compared to the original form potassium-39.
6.7% of potassium is potassium-40. To determine the average mass of an element, you can take the mass of each isotope of that element and multiply them by the percent that they occur in nature. For this example, we will use potassium. Once you have all your numbers multiplied, you can add them together to get your result.